Hi, and welcome back to Scratch. Today we're going to make a chicken Alfredo. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we'll need 1 pound of chicken breast or chicken tenders, 3 cups of half and half or whole milk, a cup of shredded Parmesan, a 1/4 cup of flour, a 1/4 cup of butter, a tablespoon of olive oil, a tablespoon of minced garlic, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1½ teaspoons of pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, 1/8 of a teaspoon of nutmeg, and 8 ounces of uncooked fettuccine noodles. We'll start by heating our tablespoon of olive oil over medium-high heat. Then we'll add our pound of chicken and season it with 1 teaspoon of our salt, a ½ teaspoon of our pepper, and our 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. We'll cook our chicken until it's cooked through, about 6 to 8 minutes per side. When the chicken is done, we'll set it aside and allow it to cool while we cook our fettuccine noodles. After we've cooked our chicken, we'll rinse out our pot and fill it with water so we can cook the fettuccine. We'll return our pot to the stovetop over high heat and add our remaining teaspoon of salt. Once the water begins to boil, we'll add our 8 ounces of fettuccine noodles and cook them for about 12 minutes, stirring occasionally. It's been 12 minutes and our fettuccine is now cooked. We'll allow it to drain in the sink while we prepare our Alfredo sauce. Once we've drained our pasta, we'll reduce our stovetop to medium heat and melt our 1/4 cup of butter and saute our tablespoon of garlic. Once our butter's melted, we'll add our 1/4 cup of flour and make a blonde roux by stirring our flour into our butter for about a minute. Then we'll add our 3 cups of half and half or whole milk, our 1 cup of Parmesan cheese, our remaining teaspoon of pepper, and our 1/8 of a teaspoon of nutmeg. We'll allow our Alfredo sauce to cook for about 3 to 5 minutes to thicken up. While our Alfredo sauce is cooking, we'll cut our chicken into approximately 1/4 inch cubes and add them to the sauce. Once our sauce is done, we'll remove it from the heat and serve it over our fettuccine noodles. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.